I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. There's a better place for me, better place for me. Trying to play my symphony, but there's so much noise around, so much noise around. Constantly fighting for space. I need to clear my mind, need to clear my mind. I wanna be empty, be empty, be empty. A sparkle lights a fire, I'm high, I'm a butterfly.
Getting a great VR camera with amazing image quality is just part of the story of working as a professional VR filmmaker. Finding a way to move your camera safely to help tell the story and create a unique experience for your viewers is what separates professional to amateur. To create cinematic VR camera movements is a lot more difficult than traditional filmmaking. You cannot use a gimbal or a dolly system, and the operator cannot be in the scene, or else the post-production cleanup work will be very expensive. Keeping your camera move smooth and stable is also critical to not getting your viewers sick in a VR headset. Having a motion control system that is programmable to produce repeatable takes is also important on a professional VR film set. We have already covered VR drone cinematic movements, and we will cover rover like motion impossible mantis and long distance VR slider in the next couple episodes. Today, we are going to explore another way to move your professional VR camera. Particularly, we will use the Noxon Mini cable cam that is designed for portable VR production. Let's dive right in. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q here from Creator Up. Before we start, I want to ask you a favor to like and share my video so I can have more free time to create better content for you and other VR filmmakers. So in front of me, it is the Noxon Mini cable cam system with the professional VR camera Candle Obsidian R. The reason why I choose the Candle Obsidian instead of the Insta360 Titan right there, or the Pro 2, or the Zcam V1 Pro is because the weight, the form factor, and the reliability. Obsidian is the lightest and most reliable VR camera in the market nowadays. Noxon Mini cable cam can potentially hold 6 kg, so you can put the Insta360 Titan on over there, but besides weight, you want a camera that will never freeze, never overheat, or shut down randomly. When the camera on the cable cam right here, most of the time it is unreachable. With an external Wi-Fi router right here, as you see, you can remotely control the Obsidian. The form factor is another big thing need to consider. This need to go into a tight space like that, and you need a narrow camera. Candle Obsidian R, at the day of recording, officially support internal stabilization, just like the Insta360 Pro 2. So the movement will be smooth if you're facing high wind outside like today, and have the pendulum effect you see right here. Now let's talk about the shoot. We are trying to have the camera travel from outside of the house, like right now, right here, like as you see, the mounting point over on the tree, to travel 30 meters, almost 100 feet, fly inside the house and go outside the house again. This is actually very typical in 360 shot for like a fancy property showing or narrative pieces that you follow the talent into the house. You can use a drone outside of the house, but you cannot use it inside of the house, even you have a really good drone operator. it is impossible to remove the drone when you're inside the house, indoor environment. You cannot use a slider on this shot neither because the distance is pretty far. Rover, forget about it. You can't just go through furniture and go through tight space with a big rover. You can program the Noxon of the entire movement. So let's take a look at the movement and the end result right now. So now, as you see, I'm controlling the camera moving speed, and hopefully you can see the cable from the camera is kind of like see-through. The good thing about this system is the cable is see-through and everything hide in the nadir, including the battery, router, and everything power up the camera and the system. Everything just hide underneath the nadir area, and the top area is the see-through cable. So there's no post-production involved. So that's one great thing about this setup. It takes some time to set up, but you save a lot of money in post-production to remove everything you don't want in the scene. Again, this system is called motion control system. What I mean motion control is I control the motion in here and I program this entire movement, and I can have an exactly repeat motion. Again, exactly repeatable motion. This is very important for a director's standpoint. So we can take the same shot over, and over again until the director and the producer say this shot that's what he wants. So we can have a repeatable motion in a 360 environment to get the exact shot we want. Another way to use motion control system is we can have the exact motion, but we can move the talent in a different location, as you see in the intro. Then we can create a multiple copy of her, and it's actually really easy to put it back in using simple roto or masking because we have the exact same motion. You get the camera move the exact same motion each time, so the camera movement will not affect the rotoscoping. So make the post-production is actually really easy and doable. So hopefully now you get an idea on how to use motion control system like the cable cam system to create a great shot. This system I use is really compact, it's really easy to travel, and it's designed for Canon Obsidian, but you can actually remove Obsidian with different camera like the Insta360 Pro 2, Z-Cam, or even the brand new Titan. This thing is actually pretty heavy duty, and we travel almost like 40 meters long, all the way from tree over there, all the way to the outside tree over there. There's a long travel distance as you see in the video. So hopefully you get the idea and you can utilize the same technique in your next video. So why I picked Noxon Mini cable cam but not other 2D cable camera system? Good question. 360 VR filming has special requirements. First, you need the top part of the whole system be pretty small and compact, so the cable cam will not show up in the video. Second, see the cable right here? It is clear. It locked right in the stitch line of the Canon Obsidian, as you see. So the cable will not show up in the video. It's gonna be in the stitch line. I do have to say, setting up the cable camera takes longer than slider or rover. It is not for every shot, especially timing is an issue in production. It is just a tool in your VR filmmaker toolset. And another small design of the Noxon is the ability to adjust the angle. As we are filming stereoscopic 360, keeping the camera level is very, very important. The Noxon has a very soft movement due to the acceleration system, as you see right here. High accuracy with step-by-step motor control, and the system able to make 0.03 millimeter movements. Another big help is the Noxon motion control system. It can program even 360 time-lapse for a set of interval and sync with your camera internal clock. I will have another tutorial focused on more advanced motion control techniques. I use both on the programming of the Noxon right here and post-production 360 composition in After Effects and Cinema 4D. So don't forget to subscribe to Creator Up and comment so I know how many people, how many of you interested in the advanced technique like this. I'm losing subscriber to Ben Claremont because my viewers think my content are too complicated. So you have to let me know that is what you want to learn next. So hopefully by now you have the new tool on your VR filmmaking toolset. So you can go out there, pitch to your clients again, show them some unique camera movements besides just boring camera on a stick like that, or low quality 1x GoPro Fusion footage. And send me your success story on VR. It put a smile on my face when I hear every time you make money from your VR filmmaking, your passion, and from what I teach here on Creator Up. I'm truly trying to raise the bar of the 360 filmmaking community. So help me help you. Like and share this video. Learn together, grow together in VR.